In step 3, we're going to start adding some actions and events to our first person. So double click on the object person. Be sure that it's showing up in the name. And we're going to add an event. An event is obviously something that takes place. So we're going to click the word add event, click keyboard, hold it down, and then select left. We'll start off with the left arrow key. And then what do we want to happen when this left arrow key works? Well, we want to start moving in a direction. So go to the move icon and drag this icon out into the action. So when you click on the left arrow, you want to start moving. Well, in this case, we want to move left. So click the left arrow at a speed of about 4. Now, if you'll remember, we had a grid set up in our room. That's 32 by 32. So we also need to go down here to the Control tab, and if the instance is aligned to grid, and we want to set this up to 32 because that's the size of our grid. And this really should go, I'm going to drag that up there. Alright, so if you click the left arrow key, and if the instance is aligned with the grid, you should start moving in a direction that's left. Alright, we need to do that with the right. Right. Be sure you keep changing these. If instance is aligned with grid, go back up to move 1. In this case, we're going to move right at a speed of 4. Then we're going to add a keyboard event up if the instance is aligned with the grid. 32, 32. In this case, we're going to move up at a speed of 4. And we still have to enter in a keyboard down if the instance is aligned with grid. Move in a direction, in this case down at a speed of 4. And we still need to add another keyboard event, and that is if no key is pressed, be sure that we're aligned with the grid. And then this may seem kind of odd, but go to move, and this time click the center icon. That way it's not moving in any direction, and you don't really need to do a speed because you're not moving. So now let's test our game here, and let's see. You see we're able to go through the wall, though. That's not exactly what we had in mind. So let's go back and see if we can. And the reason is we didn't add a collision event. So we're going to go back and add an event, and this time add a collision. And we want to be able to collide with the wall. And then if you collide with the wall, same thing, you want to, if the instance is aligned with the grid, and come back over here and start moving in a direction. Alright, let's try it again now. So now it's not letting me move past the wall. Alright, that's it for step 3.